I'm a whole vibe, I'm a mood. They see I ate it up like food.
Hey, sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to stop in and let you guys know, sorry, this is the 4 millionth take at least. But I wanted to stop in and let you guys know that next Wednesday, November 20th, Tenkara USA is having their annual sale. So if you've been waiting to get a Tenkara rod, or if you've got somebody you want to get one for Christmas, for the holidays, it makes a perfect gift. Go over next Wednesday, November 20th, TenkaraUSA.com, and check it out. All right, I'll let you guys get back to the video.
I don't wanna go, but it's too late to stay. With a broken heart, I'm feeling about twice my age.
What's up, guys? We are out on the Middle Bosque again today. We're fishing the Tenkara USA Ito. It is it's a zoom rod. It's a 13 foot to 14.7. So we'll see what we can do with it. We're going to be using a 4.5 level line to 5X tippet, and we're going to start with a Brushy Creek streamer. I usually have pretty good success with this Brushy Creek streamer, especially on bass and sunfish. So hopefully we can replicate that today, but block the sun and y'all can see that, but it's just a little minnow imitation. My setup today is straight from Chris Johnson of Living Waters Fly Fishing in Round Rock. If you guys haven't been up there, go check that place out if you're in the Central Texas area. Super friendly, super knowledgeable. The whole staff up there is really awesome. But if you watch Chris's Tenkara Texas video on YouTube, he talks about how the Ito is his favorite rod, and I had one. I haven't used it extensively. I've used it a little bit. He's really kind of sold me on it, so I'll take you guys along and we'll see if we can do any good.
I came to Philadelphia with a rod in my hand.
Sunfish. Let's see what we got here. Alright, not bad. Get the day started. Bass. Got a nice bass on. He's trying to get in those rocks, but so with the Tenkara rod, we're just fighting for vertical position until he gets worn out. We can kind of work him back and forth if we need to, but it's just when it gets vertical we can get him in. And you probably shouldn't hand line him like that, but we did. Alright, let's see. Nice little largemouth on the Brushy Creek streamer. Alright, just look at him, we'll get him back in the water. He is eager. There he goes. Alright, let's see if we can do it again. Oh, good, because I just missed it. Hold on, let me get that.
This one may need a net.
I got you. Yeah, bring it this way. Oh, nice. Yeah, let him wear himself out. And if you turn him and bring him back this way, I'll net him. Yeah, keep him coming. Got him. Nice. Nice fish. That's a solid bass. It'll take some adjusting, but I'm sure that I can. Doubled up. Let's go. Bro.
Oh yeah, dude.
That ordeal probably spooked him, I'm sure. Nope, there's one. He came out of nowhere. All right, all right. Okay. This guy free. Nice little bass.
Lately your blue skies ain't coming, turning all the clouds gray. Baby, I can see a storm warning. I'm boarding all the windows up today. And the ghosts have been calling. You don't hear a word they say, so let me do all the talking. I'll keep your troubles out